Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I remove my Monaco hand-tied extensions. It's pretty simple to do. All you need is some pliers and some scissors.
Okay, so to start off, you're going to make sure your hair is nice and brushed, no tangles. And then you're going to take your pliers and you're going to part your hair so that the extensions are showing. And then what I do is I just flip up the weft of extensions so I can see the beads, and then I just pull out each strand of hair where the bead is connected just to easily separate the beads from the hair so I can then remove the beads. So to remove the beads, you're going to take your pliers and just clamp down in the opposite direction that the bead is clamped so that it opens it up. And then gently tug on the bead and it should come right off the strand of hair. And you're just going to continue to do this on the rest of the beads. Then once all the beads are removed, you're going to flip the weft back down and then gently tug on the weft, and it should slide down your strands of hair. And then you can gently tug on the strands of hair through the weft where it's sewn on. I try to do this strand by strand so that no tangles happen or it doesn't get caught. This should be a relatively gentle and easy process, so if you feel like it's pulling too hard, just gently tug it or try pulling less strands of hair at a time, so just pull little pieces through instead of the whole entire strand through the weft. Once you've pulled all the hair through, the weft should slide all the way down, and voila! And then you just continue to do this for the rest of your hair. I had 4 rows in, so I would do this process 4 times through each weft of hair. I actually didn't end up using the scissors for this removal, but I have before. There is a piece of string that ties the weft onto the beads, and sometimes that string has a knot in it or it will get caught, so that's where you would use the scissors. But this removal was pretty easy and I didn't end up using the scissors. Alright, once your weft is off, you can go ahead and brush the remaining of your hair, and voila, super easy hand-tied extension removal. And that's why I love these extensions, because it's so easy.